Well, welcome back to my channel, YouTube. This morning I got a Tekton impact socket set to show you. 3/8. Those 8-piece socket set. I purchased this on Amazon for $20, and I believe it go lower than that sometimes. It has 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. The only piece is missing is 14 and 16, but I wanted to buy this first before I buy the whole set. Extra deep brooch. This is a deep socket, and it's laser etched marking, not like Harbor Freight. All you see is a stamp, and especially at night, you can barely see it, or even in the daytime you gotta really squint at it just to find out what size it is. But this one is it's you can see it pretty good. This product is made in Taiwan. There you go. It is made in Taiwan. Right there's the number, just in case if one of your sockets breaks. But I'm sure it's not going to do it. And also it's a lifetime replacement guaranteed. It's part number is 4850. And it's only 8-piece, but you can go on Amazon and purchase this impact socket kit for $32, and I repeat, it does not skip a size. It has all the size from 7 to 19 millimeter. I hate to say this, but if you go to Harbor Freight and you purchase a socket set, you always have to, there's certain sizes that are missing. But this one, the Tekton, has all of it, and it's only for $32, free shipping. Well, back to the product I bought, and I opened this. So this is only an unboxing. That's it, an unboxing. I did not use it yet. It comes with a nice carrying case. It's small, hard plastic. This part right here, it's kind of flimsy, but of course, over time, flipping it open, and this part right in this area will tend to break after time of opening it. Well, this socket, impact socket, is very nice. It's very professionally made, nice and slick. I'm impressed by it by just looking at it. And back to the box real quick, this one right here, high torque flank drive, prevents corner round off. See right there at each corner has a little round things to prevent from, oh, there you go, from these little round things at the end, to help you, prevent, rounding off one of your sockets or your bolts. If you can get that. I can't even see it real good. Oh well. Well, let's go find out how the length of the socket. Hold on. The length of the socket is about 2.5 2.5 inches long. And how wide is you guys can see that it's about right there. I'm going to tape measure. It says 2. About an inch. It's about an inch. Let's go find out the depth. It's about inch and inch and 3/4 or inch and a half, around there. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on it, but overall this socket feels and looks almost like the Pittsburgh socket, you know, by just looking at it. Almost. I wish I had a Pittsburgh socket or impact socket with me right here, but you know, it almost looks identical. But let's go move on. These are very, very nice. I like them. They look very pretty. Like, you know, I like them. Case looks very nice. I like it. Can't wait to use it. I cannot wait to use it. It is also made with CRV. I mean nothing special, you know, it's not made with chromoly or anything like that, but you know, I was looking on some YouTube videos on this product, and I've seen a lot of great videos on it. A lot of people like it. Well, I really got nothing much to say about it. I mean, I'm new at this. I'm trying to improve on my videos, but thank you for coming to my channel again. Good day, everyone, and God bless you all.